So, we were talking about cells, right? And inside the cells, there are many components. The components that can be seen through our eyes are known as variable components. I mean, I'm just making up names, but what are the each component of the cell? The each component of the cell is known as cell organelles. And cell organelles are the most wide variety of things. There is the most wide variety of things of organelles. In our organelles, I mean the type of organelles can be many. Some doing their purpose for energy production, some doing their purpose for metabolism, also some doing it for the production of food energy. That's the thing. So each type of organelles within the cell has its own function, and that function can vary from one to another depending upon their shape, their structure, also their given function. Since we are all here talking about cells, let's understand the two type of cells, the plant cell and the animal cells. I'm not going to the prokaryotes, eukaryotes, that's the basic one. Let's talk about the plant and animal. The major and the biggest difference that you can find here is presence and absence of cell wall. Yeah, in plant cell, cell wall is present. On the other hand, in animal cell, cell wall is absent. And the second thing is the presence of chlorophyll. Yeah, in humans, chlorophyll is not present. The color of the cell is given by proteins known as keratin or melanin. That's right. So, here we understand that each type of thing in us humans have their own function, and their function may vary depending upon their cell structure. So that cell structure that we were talking, in that we learned that the plant cell has cell wall, right? So whenever when a mitotic type of division is occurring, there's no constriction formed, because if a constriction starts to form, then there will be absence of a cell layer, a cell membrane layer. That's the thing. So to prevent such absence, what happens? The cell itself reconstructs itself and makes its own cell plates, which acts as the cell wall, and it gradually changes into the cell wall as well. So that's the thing. The cell has its own various structure, various unit, and going deep inside of it, in the cytology, you will find that each component made of atoms are just chemical reactions, nothing else. Everything, every single part in our body is done within chemical reaction. Thank you.